So this is a Microsoft Surface 3, model number 1645. It comes with different capacities, 128, 16, and so on. The surface looks like this, and I just was thinking to make a short demonstration about how to get into both recovery mode or if you want to install a new Windows on this surface. Okay, let's do it quick. To make this video like shorter, I'm not gonna show you how to make bootable device. Just make sure that you have a bootable device on the surface like this. I have already one made, so I have Windows 11. You can have Windows 10 or Windows 8 as you want, but if you encounter some problem installing Windows 11, there are some other ways how to bypass the restriction of Windows 11 and go on. So now all you need to do is like this. You click volume up and you keep clicking volume up like this, and you click power button. All right, you release the power button, but you keep clicking on the volume up. All right, now we get into the recovery mode like this. There you have trusted platform, TPM, secure boot control if you want to disable it. For in my case it's already disabled, and yeah. So now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna exit all this, yes, and we go back. This is one way how to access the BIOS setting, to be able to change the setting in there. In case if you want to install a new Windows on this particular model or other model, I'm gonna show you the way straight away. Scanning, now it's like holding on repairing and so on. Let's not do this, let's do like this. We're gonna switch it off completely, just switch it off. Keep holding the power button. Exact. Just wait until it's completely shut down. Yeah, exactly. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna make sure that we have the bootable USB device inserted. We click power volume down is the minus, volume down like this, volume down. Keep clicking on it, and we click power button. As soon as it starts, we release, and we keep holding the volume down. Keep holding the volume down. Keep holding the volume down. We keep holding the volume down. Just be patient. Now what you're gonna see, you're gonna see that this round circle is like turning round, but you don't see the Windows logo. That's good. You get this blue image also. Yeah, now you're on the Windows installation key. Then you click next, or you put your keyboard. Yeah, since I'm installing a new operating system on this Surface, I was thinking that to share it with you guys. So let's just do like this. And we continue with the installation of the new system. Thank you. And if you have some questions or issues about your own Surface, please write on the comments below. Thanks. Hey.